Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to set up local delivery on Shopify. If you want to try Shopify, you can use the link in the description or pinned comment to get a free trial plus 3 months for only $1 per month. It's a great way to follow this tutorial and test Shopify without paying full price right away. Just click the link below and create your store from there. Alright, so first up, let's go ahead over to settings right here at the bottom left. Wait for it to load. And then once it loads, go ahead over to shipping and delivery right here at the left panel. So just click on it. Either one's done, let's go ahead and scroll down until you find local delivery. Okay, so just click on it. So wait for it to load, and once it loads, as you can see here, by default, it does say it doesn't offer delivery, but just click on it and then enable it right here. Okay, you can use postal codes by delivery zones. So for example, you select this one, you can just go ahead and add in some zones. Let's say for this type of postal code, okay, let's say to 9600, just for example. Now, minimum order or minimum order price, you can just go ahead and add it in right here. If not, just leave it. Okay. The one's done, go ahead and add in the delivery information and then just click on save. So as you can see here at the very bottom, we now have 2 postal codes added with our local delivery. You can add in some more zones if you want to. If not, you could just go ahead and use set a delivery radius. Should it be kilometer or miles? Okay, scroll down, and that's basically it. Now, if you want, you could go ahead and add in some apps at the very bottom. Okay, get an optimized route or plan the order of delivery stops yourself. With local delivery apps, you and your staff can view routes, contact customers, update delivery statuses, and more. So click on view apps right here and add in an app. You'll have to research for these apps, okay? The ones that I've shown you earlier is by far the easiest one. So just click on add zone, use postal codes, however you want to set it up. And that is how you set up local delivery on Shopify. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.